county with 10 MCAs and 36 advisors and 31 chief officers. That is madness. You can't tell us that that is justified and that you're going to do it because your staff establishment says so. That is completely out of order, completely unacceptable, Governor.
This house is house of record,
and it is a house of order.
We should not allow.
It is a house of order. You have said you have 4 advisors. Name them.
Abdul Abure, Dalia one.
There is another person appointed as advisor, Equalization Fund, which position does not exist at all.
What is your position of the other 32?
They are working under the County Public Service Board.
I'm even getting tired in my head.
You guys are running solo like a joke.
Governor, this is the problem, Governor. If the initial query is that you are not following the staff establishment, you have more than enough. Is it really your position that the Auditor General was telling you now go and increase the number in the staff establishment?
My explanation, Chair, is the County Government Act.
Well, Governor, you know I'm a lawyer.
Yeah.
Please.
Yeah.
I know what the law says. It is very condescending for you to send me to the law, and you know I'm a lawyer.
Because I didn't say that. That is the record of the auditors.
When you order
the
word liar,
Governor,
lying to the committee.
You are the liar.
Governor,
you are a pathological liar.
Governor,
Yeah.
Governor, you are getting out of order.
Your Excellency, watu wanasema serikali kuu haijafanya kazi kwa sababu hawajatembea, wanajifungia kwa mahoteli wakipiga story, hawajui dunia ingine inakaa vipi. Mimi nawataka kualika watu ya opposition wakuje watembee hii dunia ingine, waone vile serikali ya Kenya Kwanza ina unlock potential ya Northern Kenya. Your Excellency, tunafurahia sana. Asante sana. Your Excellency, umesema tutajengea soko hapa, watu wa Karabatura wanafurahia kwa hiyo.